And guess where they always landed? In his little cute mouth. Toby, this is not Eba. Chioma told him, gently taking her phone that he was sucking on happily. Socially, Toby was growing into quite the charmer. He lit up whenever Chioma walked into the room. However, when their neighbor, Mama Chinedu, came for a visit, it was a warm Saturday afternoon in Lagos, and Chioma sat on the mat in her living room. She was watching her 6 month old son Toby as he rolled from his back to his belly for the very first time. And Chioma was so excited, saying, "Oh, mommy, you are really showing yourself." Oh, and she was jumping up and down in excitement. As the weeks went by, Toby began sitting up on his own, although he was still a little bit wobbly. So, what Chioma would do is she would sit behind him, ready to catch him. But she encouraged him to keep trying. Small, small, my champion, you are doing amazing. She cheered him on. One afternoon, while she was holding him upright, she noticed that his tiny legs started pressing firmly on the ground. See this boy, oh, you want to start walking? Eh? Already? Choma was just joking around. Toby's hands were just as busy as his body. He loved reaching out and grabbing anything that his hands could reach, whether it was Chioma's hair, her gele, her scarf, her phone, whatever it was. Toby would always grab them. And guess where they always landed? In his little cute mouth. Toby, this is not Eba. Chioma told him, gently taking her phone that he was sucking on happily. Socially, Toby was growing into quite the charmer. He lit up whenever Chioma walked into the room. However, when their neighbor, Mama Chinedu, came for a visit or they saw her on the road, guess what Toby would do? Toby would cling tightly to his mother Chioma and refuse to let go. She recognized this as the first signs of stranger anxiety. Meanwhile, Toby was fascinated with mirrors, whether it was the big mirror in the bedroom or the one in the sitting room. Whichever mirror Toby sees, he would want to reach out and touch his reflection in it. Toby's little voice was also getting louder. He responded with so much joy and excitement when Chioma called his name. He would turn his head and smile at her. In fact, his babbling filled the whole house, saying sounds like ah 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 ba 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 da 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 da. Chioma was enjoying Toby. Meanwhile, Toby's curiosity was also growing. He loved exploring his environment. He loved shaking his toys, reaching for things, and even dropping them just to see what would happen. So Chioma made sure to keep his play area safe and also get some colorful toys for him. Chioma was amazed at how much her little boy had changed in just 6 months. She was excited and looking forward to what the next month would bring. So this is how to encourage your baby to reach their milestones during the 6th month. For their gross motor skills, you want to give them plenty of tummy time to strengthen their neck and shoulder muscles. So what you can do is place a toy just out of their reach and encourage your baby to roll and reach for it. You can also support your baby in a sitting position using pillows for balance so that they don't tumble over and injure themselves. For their fine motor skills, you can get them toys of various sizes, colors, whatever your baby is interested in. You can get them soft rattles, teasing toys, lightweight toys, whatever it is. Just feel free. So gently guide their hands to reach for these objects, helping them in coordination. Also, for their social and emotional development, you want to spend time interacting with them, okay? You want to look into your baby's eyes, face them, talk face to face with them, smile when they respond, babble or express emotions. If they're babbling, you want to babble back, ba 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 da da da. You can also use a mirror to encourage them to recognize themselves when they see their reflection in the mirror. It helps them with social awareness. For their language and communication, what you can do is call your baby's name, like Toby and Chioma. She called his name frequently. You can also repeat sounds like Baba or Dada or Mama just to encourage them to mimic you. For their cognitive development, what you can do is provide toys that make noise, those rattles, those things that are just really noisy, that stimulate curiosity, that would make them want to turn their heads towards what is making noise. You could also use stacking cups or colorful blocks that would help them to explore how these objects are interacting. So these are some ways that you can help your baby to reach all their milestones during the 6th month. If you're interested in what happens in the 7th month, and if you're interested to know how Toby is progressing as well, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. If you're curious about what happens in the first 6 months, please check out this video over here.